Hi folks, we're here again at the Pines. Today we're going to be checking out one of our premium mochas. My name is Ann and I'm here to show you around. Let's take a peek, shall we? Alright, so first thing here, as we come to the door, we see we've got those fantastic digital locks, of course, for that fantastic keyed and keyless entry. Really convenient if you ever happen to misplace your keys, still can get in. Now let's take a look. So right here, when we walk in, got a lot going on. First thing, of course, got that fantastic closet for all of our jackets and whatnot. And we have a second closet too. But this one is for your pantry. So you've got lots of space in there for you, for all kinds of dry goods. Plus here in your kitchen, you've got a really nice openness to it. Got extra cabinets and shelving here, but still gives you a really nice open concept. Now this one, since it is a premium, does also feature the beautiful black appliances and the microwave, which does not come in the standards. So definitely a leg up on that one. Now moving forward, we also still have a huge dining area. So if you got a big old table, no worries, we got space for it. Now you can see our living room. We've got tons of space in here for you, and that beautiful door wall that's gonna give us all kinds of natural light, plus this gorgeous wooded view. Tell me that wouldn't be cool to come home to. And now right off of the living room, we also have an additional den space. So here you can see I've got a nice big area for you. Fantastic for a home office, a creative workspace, or maybe even a guest bedroom for a temporary stay. Now let's move through the living room here to check out the bathroom as well. So we've got some beautiful tile work in here. So in our shower, we see we've got that beautiful beige tiling. Give you a nice little aesthetic for our bathroom here. And of course, we've got new light fixtures as well as countertops here. Give you a nice, big, spacious bathroom. Also, of course, with our medicine cabinet and plenty of under sink storage as well. And then we'll move through here, going towards the bedroom. So here is our master. Here's a beautiful amount of space here, perfect for that king bed. Got plenty of room, even then, for additional furniture. Maybe a TV stand is in the plan, who knows? Plus, we have an enormous closet here. Perfect for one or two, depending on how much clothing we've got. It's got tons of space, and it's got that additional shelving featured here in the middle for all of our, maybe sweaters, jeans, hoodies, all that fun stuff. Now, if you are as in love with this apartment as I am, give us a call today at 734-434-3455 so we can get your application started and secure this beauty for you today. You can also reach us online at thepinesofcloverlane.com, so give us a shout and we'll get you all taken care of today. Thanks so much and hope to hear from you soon. Bye!